Here's how I drew this cute squirrel using brushes from my gouache paint box. First, I drew the sketch using the light pencil that's included in this set. Then I filled in the basic shapes using the painty round brush. Then I added some painterly texture to those flat areas using the brush stroke brushes. On this piece, I used bristle brush strokes and bold edge brush strokes. Then I added even more authentic gouache texture with my gouache grain brushes. I also used those to add a little bit of shading. Then I used some of the dry brushes to make this guy fluffy and furry. On the tail, I used the bristle painter brush, and on the body, I used Scumble dry brush and Supreme dry. And I added the last little details using some of the liner brushes. Gritty Tilt is one of my favorites, which I used for the eye and the face. And here he is, cute little squirrel in digital gouache. You can find the gouache paint box brush set at bardotbrush.com.